Hey everybody, I'm Mike Gannon from Service Aquatics. We're a koi pond, water garden, and water feature company based out of Summit, New Jersey. And I want to share with you guys a project that we're working on. It's actually a renovation that we're doing at a garden center where we have an outdoor showroom with several different features. Among them is a koi pond, as you can see from the sign right here in back of me. We have a nice big koi pond here that we put in about 12 years ago. There's actually a video of it that you can watch on this channel here from the original renovation when we turned it from a swimming pool into a koi pond. And now 13 years later, it's time for us to give everything a facelift and really make this area look great again. The pond did get a little tired. You know, it's been 13 years. We do better designs, we have better equipment, we have a better methods and approaches. So we're doing a renovation and I'm excited about it. It is winter 2020. We're getting a jump on the season here in New Jersey. I'm here over at the Fishmobile. Think about it. For New Jersey Pond Keepers Only. I'm here over at the Fishmobile, and let's go take a look at what we have going on over here. So we started this renovation. Of course, we drain the koi pond, and we have all our koi in these large holding tanks. Right? So they're all hanging out inside here. Kind of hard to see them. There they are. Bunch of guys. Got some nice aeration going there. They'll be in here for another day or so. They're aerated, they're covered, they're comfortable. They're in their original pond water. So they're doing just fine. And now we'll walk up into the area. So we're actually doing kind of a major renovation. We had a feature here. We tore that out. We're going to be doing something completely new there. But this whole area has multiple features in it. It's just a mess right now. You have to forgive me, but sometimes it's fun to show people the messy stuff too. Look at that. We have a nice big pile of rock right behind me. That's all the rock that we have pulled out of the pond. The hand manageable stuff, we're bringing a machine over to get out some of the bigger pieces of rock. There's a pond behind me, and we have some other features too, so check it out. All our rock, nice big pile, probably, you know, about 30 tons or so sitting here. And here's the pond. As we continue to dismantle this, you can see we just have the bigger pieces of stone in there now. We'll be pulling all those out, but we're getting down to basically the gravel and the liner. We'll be pulling the liner out, hopefully by the end of today. We should have all these big rocks out of here the next 2 hours. We'll deal with the gravel, you know, another hour or so, and probably within a few hours we'll have this liner out of here and we'll be exposing the old swimming pool that used to be there. It's a lot of stuff. You know, we kind of forgot what a project this was way back when. Our waterfall area over here, we're in the midst of tearing that apart. You know, that was a really cool feature. It's going to get a whole lot cooler. Let me show you some of our other stuff. We have another medium. So this is our big koi pond, right? This is our medium size koi pond over here. All these guys are hanging out, wondering what all the hassle is outside of their pond. And then we have a little water garden pond, which is a bit of a mess. I must admit, it's full of leaves and stuff we've been putting in there while we've been taken out from the other pond. I have a bunch of water lilies. Every frog that we took out of this pond, we stuck in there. So it's dirty, but it's actually full of life at the moment. Again, our rock pile. Over here, we have another cool thing. We had, you can see in the back there, a whole bunch of old urns. We had some colorful urns here. We had our overflowing urns and jacket holder over here. And we're gonna redo this whole display too. This also just, it's tired, man. It's tired. So we're gonna redo all that, make that look good. And then over here, Fishmobile alert, right behind me is our pondless waterfall. This basically, we're just doing cleanup, some quick touch up. There's a few things that are just bothering me about it, but we're gonna get that done. But I want you guys to stick around. We'll be doing a follow-up when we get everything completed here. And thanks for checking us out. Again, I'm Mike Gannon, Full Service Aquatics. We're based out of Summit, New Jersey, 908-277-6000. And we'd love to talk to you. Bye-bye.